Right, let's get this drone up. Why not? Look at him. Where does he go? And we'll film right down through all these sand moguls here. Here comes our camera. Back down. Murphy! Oh. So I don't know if it's eliminating the noise or not. If it isn't, I'll probably just dub over this. We'll see how we get on. Where's that dog gone? Murphy! I'll have to get the dog whistle out probably to get a hold of him. Where's that dog gone? If I stop hold on. This will come down to land. That's like the come back now, getting angry. Where is he gone? Oh, Murphy. Here he comes, look. Look at him. He's like, oh, I wasn't far, honest, I was just round the corner and I seen a rabbit and I just had to go and investigate. Come on then. Some machine. So I'm not going to buy a replacement for my Neo 2, sorry, my Mini 2. If it this way, come on. If it gets lost and I drown it or lose it, I'm going to buy the Neo 2, but buy the controller as well, and just use that one drone for everything. Because I can't be bothered with setting up. If you're out with other folk, people soon get hacked off with you setting up a drone. It's alright if you're on your own. But how cool is this? Whole beach to you, more or less to yourself. Perfectly legal too. I think that wee thing's struggling a wee bit with the winds. We'll turn it around up here. So that's Skull Farm up ahead where the pine trees are, sitting behind. There's obviously the Bash Rock. Okay, let's turn this round. Murphy, let's go! Here he is. Let's get some speed on. The good thing with the drone being really noisy is you can hear it. Look at it, it's following us. It's ideal for cycling and walking. It's a wee bit on the slow side for the motorbike. Unless you're just puttering about at a viewpoint or something. The endomorph tyres are quite unique tread pattern as well. So for over a year I was the only person with a fat bike on the beach, and then Gary Buckham contacted me, and Gary bought, it was the sort of second generation of Pugsley when it came out, with the custard kind of coloured frame. Grandpa's pyjamas, it was nicknamed. So we'll go up here, and I'll never forget the day I was out of the subs, and what was it, soft? Too soft for 4-inch tyres. See them sliding. And there was another set of tyre tracks. I was like, oh look! And it was Gary, and there he was. Bumped into him round the corner. We'll stop this before the water, because I don't want to risk it running out of battery and landing in the water. So there you go. Fat bike history, Scotland's first fat bike. So read the link if you want in the description, and I'll tell you all about it. We'll need to cross down here though. I've just done the cardinal sin of letting it fall me over water. So there is a boat wreck appeared, and there's a bit of it there. We were out walking here one day. There you go, look, there's the ribs of the hull. Come on, Murphy! Motorbike tyre there, there's a car tyre. Concrete there as well. There's something else here. Maybe been broken up concrete from something that's been dumped. So usually this is a big flat lagoon. It's like a different place now. So we'll get to the dunes here and we'll sit here and wait for yours truly to appear, and he'll be all sheepish. And he'll probably go on the lead back along the dirt track here because there's horses. And knowing Murphy, he'll probably want to go and say hello to them, which might not go down too well. Here he comes. Hello! Come on in. Right folks, I'll get this drone. The new Neo 2's got all these hand control stuff it does. So if you watch the camera, usually, there you go, usually the camera looks down at your hand and then off it down it goes. Right, that's it off. I'll put this away and I'll get some photos of the bike for Instagram, and then we'll go home and do a quick bit of editing. Well, actually we won't. We'll go home and we'll get the bike boots on and we'll take the Enfield out. One of my pals should be at his workshop today. We'll go and see him. Right, Murphy, come on. Here. Murphy, come. Come on. Right, folks. Thank you as always. Hope you found this enjoyable. Leave some comments. Any questions, just ask. And yeah, before you ask, it does float if you throw it in water. We might even do a flotation test somewhere fresh water this year. Glenda's paddleboarding for a laugh. She can video from their board. Till it, I mean, you can actually, that'll hold a human on it. It'll take the weight of a human. It's a fantastic, fantastic concept. All right, see you soon. Bye.